Did you know that you can make plant-based milk in 30 seconds at the touch of a button? Every time that you go into the supermarket or the local grocery store, it takes valuable time from your day. Gas money, wear on your vehicle, not to mention that you end up purchasing items that you didn't need, like more coffee, tea, or other food items, costing you more money in the end. How about the price tag of your favorite flavor plant-based milk? There is a better way. Let me explain. You can make plant-based milk without expensive blenders, hand squeezing in a bag, or expensive press machines costing thousands of dollars. Let me introduce you to the Almond Cow. That's right, there is a more efficient and economical way to get your plant-based milk. Remember, 30 seconds with the press of a button. The Almond Cow benefits. Like I said before, plant-based milks are expensive, but with the Almond Cow, you can make a variety of plant-based milks, starting with the most popular of all, the almond. Did I mention you will not have to worry about harmful additives anymore? You can use non-GMO fresh organic nuts. Yes, there are preservatives that your family can live without. With the Almond Cow, you can make fresh, nutritious, tasty almond, coconut, rice, and cashew milks with no preservatives. So go ahead and join the many thousands that are making tasty and nutritious almond milk. To order your Almond Cow online, press the Shop Now button below. It's easy and fast. We will get your very own Almond Cow shipped to your door right away. Or visit our website. Order now and save $15 plus free U.S. shipping. Use